Hello guys, today we're gonna restoring a headlight. We're gonna use 600 grit, 1500 grit, and 3000 grit. Rinse the headlight using microfiber cloth to remove the dirt and dry the headlight. Spray water on the lens and start sanding. First, we're gonna use the 600 grit. And wipe it again. After the 600 grit, we're gonna use the 1500 grit. The last one, we're gonna use the 3000 grit. After 3000 grit, we will use a compound to start buffing. After the compound, wipe the lens. For the final step, we will use a foam pad for polishing to bring the factory shine. This is optional, but for me, this is how I restore the headlight. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like and share to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye!